Let us learn الحرف تاء. The letter ta with the short vowels. The sound of the ta with the fatha is ta. The sound of the letter ta with the dhamma is tu. The sound of the ta with the kasra is ti. The sound of the letter ta with the long vowels. The sound of the letter ta with the long vowel ta. Of the letter ta with the long vowel tu. The sound of the letter ta with the long vowel t. The sound of the letter ta with the absence of the short vowel السكون at. Letter ta changes shape depending on its position in a word. Let's see some examples of the words. The word teen means the fruit fig, and it starts with the letter ta. The word kitab means a book, and it has the letter ta in the middle. The word maktaba means library, and it has the letter ta in the middle. The word bait means a house, and it has the letter ta at the end. The word toot means a type of berries, and it has the letter ta at the beginning and at the end.